Hi there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's Microsoft Word tutorial, we are going to learn about indents and tabs. Indenting text adds structure to your documents by allowing you to separate information. Whether you would like to move a single line or an entire paragraph, you can use the tab selector and the horizontal rulers to set tabs and indents.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So let's first understand how we can indent a text in a document. In many types of documents, you may want to indent only the first line of each paragraph. This helps to visually separate the paragraphs from one another. It's also possible to indent every line except for the first line, which is known as hanging indent. So how we can indent using the tab key? Let's learn it. A quick way to indent is to use the tab key. This will create a first line indent of ½ inch. For this purpose, I have to place the insertion point at the very beginning of the paragraph where I want to indent. On the ruler, you should see the first line indent marker move to the right by ½ inch. In this way, the first line of the paragraph will be indented. If you cannot see the ruler, select the View tab and here click the checkbox next to the ruler. Now we will learn about the indent markers. In some cases, you may want to have more control over indents. Word provides indent markers that allow you to indent paragraphs to the location you want. The indent markers are located to the left of the horizontal ruler and they provide several options. The top one is the first line indent marker. We can adjust it and indent as much as we want. The lower one is the hanging indent marker. We can adjust the hanging indent by moving it. And lowermost rectangle is the left indent marker. If we want to move the first indent and the hanging indent, it can move all of them. Now we are going to learn about the indents using the indent markers. For this purpose, I have to place the insertion point anywhere in the paragraph where I want to indent or select one or more paragraph. Now I will click and drag the desired indent marker and release the mouse button. The paragraph will be indented. Now we are going to learn about how we can indent using the commands. If you want to indent multiple lines of text or all lines of a paragraph, you can use the indent commands. The indent command will adjust the indent by ½ inch increment. For this purpose, I will select the text and then under the Home tab, I will click the Increase Indent or Decrease Indent command. The text will be indented. To customize the indent amount, select the Layout tab and then set the desired values in the boxes under the indent. I am going to press Ctrl Z to revert all these changes. Now we are going to learn how we can use tabs for indenting. Using tabs give you more control over the placement of text. By default, every time you press the tab key, the insertion point will move ½ inch to the right. Adding tab stop to the ruler allows you to change the size of the tab, and Word even allows you to apply more than one tab stop to a single line. For example, on a resume, I can left align, center align or the right align my text very easily. For this purpose, first we have to locate the tab selector. The tab selector is located above the vertical ruler on the left. Hover your mouse over the tab selector to see the name of the active tab stop. For example, at this time it is left tab. There are different types of the tab stop. For example, it could be left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab, bar tab, first line indent and hanging indent. Now we will learn how we can add tab stop to the text. For this purpose, first I have to select the paragraph that I want to add a tab stop. Then I have to click the tab selector until the tab stop you want to use appear. In our example, I want to use this right tab. So I stop over here. Then I will click the location on the horizontal ruler where I want the text to appear. For example, I click over here and then I will place my insertion point to the text that I want to tab and press the tab key. So you can see that with a single tap the text is moved to the right where I want to move. Now we will learn how we can remove the tab stops. It's a good idea to remove any tab stop you are not using so they don't get in the way. For this purpose, we can click this button under the Home tab that show or hide any formatting, and then I can remove these tabs simply by backspace. And there you have it. This is all about the indents and tabs in Microsoft Word. I hope you understand all the concepts. Please feel free to ask any question in the comment section. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.